Now we're going to look at going the other direction where we have logs and we want to switch to exponential. You still start with the base. This time you're looking at the base of the log. So the base of the log is the thing that is subscripted. So the 4 is subscripted, the 8 is subscripted, the 2 is, the 1/2 is. And then here, notice there is no base. So I should remind myself, when there's no base, it's an unsaid 10, right? So this would be an unsaid 10. This would be an unsaid 10. And then here, with natural log, ln has a base of e. Right? So when I go to switch this, I first identify the base. Okay? Once we've got the base identified, you can follow that same kind of pattern where you hop across the equal sign. So this will be 2. You can hop to the other side, so 2 to the 6, and hop back equals x. You can also raise or do the base to the of both sides. So for example, on this one, this would be the base of 4. So I could do 4 to this power and 4 to this power of both sides. So 4 to the log base 4, those are inverses, they undo each other, so you're left with 64 equals 4 to the x. If I had started with the 4, then I'd hop to the other side to the x, and then hop back equals 64. Now, it's important that your subscripts and your superscripts, so the superscripts are your exponents, your subscripts are the ones that are below, that you make sure that you're utilizing those properly. So your bases should always on your log be a subscript. If there's no base, then you don't have to worry about a subscript. Okay? When you're switching to exponential, you need to make sure that you put the exponent, or the answer of the log, as an exponent, which is a superscript. So it's up above and smaller, right? So it's above these numbers right here, right? That's important that you're paying attention to that detail. It makes a difference. So I don't care which way you're going, I just need you to be able to do this one of the ways. So you can pick the base and then hop across the equals sign, or you can do the base to the and the base to the of both sides. Okay? So go ahead and practice on the rest of these, pause the video, and then come back and check. Okay, now remember, it's really important that you're checking as you go along, or that you're trying them as you go along, because it's easier to see how someone does it when they're doing it, but to make sure that you understand it, you should be practicing it on your own, and then fixing anything that you got wrong as we go over it. Okay? So our base here is 8, so I'm going to start with my 8, hop to the other side, so 8 to the p, hop back, equals 480. Here we'll do the other way, so I'm going to say my base is 1/2, so I'm going to do 1/2 to the power on both sides. So 1/2 to log base 1/2, those undo each other, so x equals 1/2 to the 6th. Okay. So 1/2 to the x equals our 6. Or if I had started here, hop to the other side, hop back, it gets us the same thing. Now on this one, it's really important that you realize that this is an unsaid base of 10. So then our base is 10, hop to the other side of p, hop back, equals 7,201. Okay. Or you could have done 10 to the, so 10 to the log base 10, these undo each other, so that leaves us with 802 equals 10 to the x. Okay. Same kind of thing here. When you see the natural log, you should be thinking, oh, my base is e, so I think e, hop to the other side, to the x equals 598. Okay. Or you can do, okay, well, the base for natural log is e, so I'm going to do e to the on both sides. So e to the natural log, those undo each other, so 90.6 equals e to the q. Okay. Again, I don't care which way you do it, I just need you to be able to do it. So e, hop to the other side of 5.6, hop back, equals t. So that's how you switch from log to exponential form.